To remove background, a white background from an image, having a white background, this is how it's done in CorelDRAW. I'm gonna have this image, this SVG image. I want to turn it somehow like this. After this is how it's done. The first thing I'll do is ungroup the object. I'll zoom it down. So here's the image. Can you see this white background around it? So come to bitmap object, bitmap menu, the menu bar, and come to bitmap mask. So come right hand side. So you click on this eyedropper icon. You click the color you want to move, which is white SSS. So then you mark it here. Click here to mark it. This is it. Then you increase the tolerance. Then you click here, hide selection. And this selection you click, increase the tolerance, which is 21. And you apply. Can you see it? That's how it works. Assuming it's not okay, you can increase the tolerance. Then you hit apply. So this is how it works in CorelDRAW. Don't forget to subscribe and watch it so that you get more videos on graphic design. You're welcome.